Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will going to make this glowing line art in Photoshop. So let's get started. So this is our image and now we have to trace this. So I choose my pen tool option and now I have to trace my image. You can take your time and trace your image for better result. After tracing complete, now it's time to choose our brush. I choose a soft brush and I put it hardness so little bit low and spacing is 0. Now I choose a layer for a path. Now I can take our new layer so that I can put a glow. Now I can choose a blue color and put into our shirt. You can see the soft light brush shirt. Also I reduce my opacity and flow also so that it can give a better result. Now again I build a new layer and put a new brush into it and I choose a blue color to color it overall. I hope you like this tutorial, so please subscribe my YouTube channel and also follow me on my Instagram. It's Bhandari Films.